Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairamaya Jaya, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur, Tumku District. The title of the paper is Quantum Mechanics 1 for BSc Physics 5th semester. Today's session is non-existence of electron in the nucleus. The objective of the session is to prove that electron is not present inside the nucleus. The session outcomes is the energy of an electron inside the nucleus is of the order of 97 mega electron volt, but it is of the order of 2 to 3 MeV from the experimental evidence. Non-existence of electron in the nucleus. The non-existence of electron in the nucleus is one of the application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So based on the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, so electron is not present inside the nucleus. This is the application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So there are many grounds to prove that electron is not present inside the nucleus. Heisenberg uncertainty principle is based on the position, and another one is magnetic momentum and spin like this, and the numbers etc. There are so many grounds to prove that electron is not present inside the nucleus. Then, according to Rutherford theory of alpha scattering experiment, it has been proved theoretically and experimentally that the nuclear size of an atom is of the order of 10 to the power of minus 14 meter in diameter. If electron present inside the nucleus, the position of an electron or uncertainty in position of an electron is not more than minus 14 meter, is not beyond that. If electron present inside the nucleus, the position is within the range is 10 to the power of minus 14 to minus 15 meter. So if the position is inside this one, based on the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta P is equal to h divided by 4 pi into delta x. The delta x value is 10 to the power of minus 14 meter substituted, and calculate the uncertainty of the momentum. Delta P is equal to 5.28 into 10 to the power of minus 20 kg meter per second is to be calculated. Then, if an electron present inside the nucleus, the kinetic energy is equal to, we already calculated the momentum, the kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m, where p is the momentum of electron is calculated from the principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle is substituted here, and rest mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31, and charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Then calculate the kinetic energy of an electron. If an electron present inside the nucleus, that value is about the kinetic energy of an electron. If an electron presents inside the nucleus, it should be 97 mega electron volt. The experimental evidence of beta decay. If an electron present inside the nucleus, its kinetic energy is of the order of 97 MeV. So the experimental result from the beta decay experiment, the energy emitted by the beta particle is nothing but the electron, is not more than 3 to 4 mega electron volt. This is an experimental evidence. Hence, this is one of the evidence to show that electron not exist inside the nucleus. Therefore, Heisenberg uncertainty principle is an application of to prove that electron is not present inside the nucleus. Some multiple choice questions are discussed in this session. The size of the nucleus is of the order The first option is 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Second option is 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Option C is 10 to the power of minus 14 meter. And option D is 10 to the power of minus 16 meter. So 10 to the power of minus 10 meter means it is of the order of the atom. The size of the atom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. According to Rutherford, the theoretical and experimentally prove that the size of the nucleus is of the order 10 to the power of minus 14 to 15 meter. The atom is 10,000 times larger than the size of the nucleus. Therefore, option C is the right answer for this question. Next question. The kinetic energy of emitted beta particle is of the order 10 to 11 mega electron volt, 3 to 4 mega electron volt, 6 to 7 mega electron volt, none of them. So, based on this beta decay experiment, the maximum energy emitted by the beta particle is 3 to 4 MeV. So, therefore, option B is the right answer for this question. The kinetic energy of an electron present inside the nucleus is of the order of option A is less than 2 MeV, option B is more than 9 MeV, option C is less than 5 MeV, option D is none of them. So, the kinetic energy of electron present inside the nucleus is of the order of more than 9 MeV. So, but the energy of an electron less than 2 MeV. So, therefore, option B is the right MeV. According to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, if an electron present inside the nucleus is more than 9 MeV. So, therefore, electrons not present inside the nucleus. Beta decay is prove that electron energy is maximum is 3 to 4 MeV. Hence, electron not present inside the nucleus. Next question. Uncertainty principle is applicable macroscopic bodies, subatomic particles, both A and B, none of them. If in case of macroscopic bodies, we can accurately measure the position and momentum simultaneously. Whereas in case of subatomic particles, the simultaneous measurement of the position and momentum, it is always an error. That is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Therefore, Heisenberg uncertainty principle is applicable only for the subatomic particles. So, therefore, option B is the correct answer for the question. Some references. Kshamata Muktawat, A.K. Upadhyaya, Applied Physics, I.K. International Publishing House. Another reference book, R. Murugesan, K. Siva Prashant, Modern Physics, S. Chan Company Private Limited. Thank you very much.